And it's a war zone.
Ginger Duggar and Jeremy Vuolo house Hurricane Harvey refugees, ask fans for support. Hurricane Harvey brought heavy rains and deadly flooding to Texas last week, and Lone Star State residents are doing their part to help. That includes Ginger and Jeremy Vuolo, who live a long way from the historic storm's path, but have taken in those affected by it. The couple kept this quiet at first, but Jeremy did respond publicly to a fan on Twitter who asked if he and his wife were okay. Vuolo responded to the concerned follower. "We are. Laredo wasn't affected. We've housed some refugees, though, and are planning a trip north next week. Thanks for checking in." Ginger, who moved away from her large family in Arkansas, now lives in South Texas, hundreds of miles from where Harvey struck. In addition to housing displaced Texans himself, Vuolo has been retweeting posts from an organization whose mission is exactly that. Thirsty Ground is a Christian nonprofit dedicated to providing relief for weary bodies and thirsty souls in disaster-stricken areas. Jeremy also said that some of the couple's friends evacuated Corpus Christi, on the Texas coast, and are now staying in Laredo. "It's nice to see the pastor doing his part, and some news about the Duggar family that doesn't border on controversial for once." Even Ginger, one of the most beloved and least polarizing members of the giant TLC crew, frequently makes headlines online. Especially lately, given her fashion rebellion. Photos of Ginger Duggar in short sleeves, jeans, sneakers, shorts and everything else have sent fans into a frenzy so far in 2017. A girl wearing tight pants may not seem like a big deal, but this is the Duggar family, where pants aren't typically allowed. At all. Jessa, Ginger, Jill, and Jana, the oldest four Duggar girls, discussed the famous family's modest dress code in their 2014 memoir. "We do not dress modestly because we are ashamed of the body God has given us, quite the contrary," the Duggar girls wrote. "We realize
And it's a war zone.